new XF Sportbrake is the primary wagon Jaguar has offered in the US since the X-Type Sportwagon was released in 2009. It's not the main XF wagon, in any case. A heap-carrying variation of the past-stage XF was propelled in Europe in 2012, yet as it was not accessible with all-wheel drive, Jaguar Land Rover North America declined to take it, for one straightforward reason: many of America's steadfast framework of premium wagon lovers live in the climate-tested Upper East or Northwest. For them, all-wheel drive is an absolute necessity. The Sportbrake moves on an indistinguishable 116.5-inch wheelbase from the XF and is a similar length by and large. Contrasted and the past XF Sportbrake, whose past Outback column treatment resounded that of the XJ, the new model is graphically more customary, and more great-looking. The nursery is perfectly executed, with a skillfully tensioned rearward string, and the new surfaces at the back of the auto hold the fresh, tile surfacing of the vehicle. Similarly as with the vehicle, it's altogether done in aluminum, aside from the back end, which is a solitary polymer piece.